The 42 Laws of Power is often mistaken for being a singular concept, but it is likely you're referring to The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene, which is a best-selling book that delves into the principles of power, influence, and strategy. It draws from historical examples, philosophy, and the author's interpretation of human nature to outline how individuals can gain, maintain, and protect power in social and professional settings. The book has been both praised for its insights and criticized for its Machiavellian approach to achieving power. Below is a full explanation of the core ideas behind the 48 Laws of Power. 1. Never outshine the master. Always make those above you feel superior, and never outshine them. If you make others feel that you are more talented or capable, they may feel threatened and try to undermine you. Instead, make your superiors feel that they are wise and that you are merely helping them achieve their goals. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. Friends are often more likely to betray you because they have more to gain by doing so, whereas enemies can be more reliable in certain situations. By converting enemies into allies, you gain loyalty and respect. This principle teaches that you should be careful in choosing whom to trust and to always use others' motives to your advantage. 3. Conceal your intentions. Keep your plans and strategies secret. By hiding your true intentions, you prevent others from interfering, and you retain the element of surprise, which is crucial in gaining the upper hand in any situation. 4. Always say less than necessary. The more you say, the more likely you are to give away information that can be used against you. Speak less and listen more. This not only maintains your power, but also makes people more inclined to listen and trust you. 5. So much depends on reputation. Guard it with your life. Your reputation is your most important asset. It precedes you, and it can be your greatest weapon or your greatest vulnerability. Protect it and build it carefully, as it influences how others perceive you and how much power you hold. Court attention at all costs. Attention is a form of power. In a world full of distractions, you must make sure you stand out and are seen. If you are invisible, you have no power. Create controversy, mystery, or intrigue to keep the spotlight on you. Get others to do the work for you, but always take the credit. Use the knowledge, energy, and work of others to your advantage, but make sure to take the credit. This creates the illusion of your own capabilities and increases your power without expending as much energy. Make other people come to you. Use bait if necessary. It's better to make others come to you rather than going to them. By positioning yourself as the center of attention or as the solution to others' problems, you can make people do what you want without them realizing it. 9. Win through your actions, never through argument. Actions speak louder than words. Winning an argument may feel like a victory, but it often breeds resentment. Instead, show your strength and power through your actions, which will earn you respect and admiration. 10. Infection. Avoid the unhappy and unlucky. Be wary of associating with negative or unsuccessful people because their failure or bad luck can rub off on you. Keep yourself surrounded by positive, successful individuals who can elevate your own standing and help you grow. 11. Learn to keep people dependent on you. To retain power, make people dependent on you for what they want or need. This ensures that they will be loyal and continue to support you. If they can find success without you, your power diminishes. 12. Use selective honesty and generosity to disarm your victim. By being selectively honest or generous at strategic moments, you can disarm others, gain their trust, and make them feel indebted to you. This gives you the advantage when it comes time to make totally never leave a rival in a position where they can regain power. To solidify your own control, make sure to completely eliminate any potential threats to your authority or position. 16. Use absence to increase respect and honor. The more you're around, the less people appreciate you. By removing yourself from a situation or being less accessible, you increase your value and power, making people respect and seek you out more. Keep others in suspended terror. Cultivate an air of unpredictability. If people can't predict your behavior, they will constantly be on edge, unsure of what you will do next. Unpredictability gives you a psychological edge over others, as they cannot anticipate your moves. Do not build fortresses to protect yourself. Isolation is dangerous. Avoid isolating yourself. While it may seem like a safe strategy, it makes you more vulnerable to attacks. Instead, stay connected with others and maintain a wide network of people who will protect and support you. Know who you're dealing with. Do not offend the wrong person. Be careful who you offend or antagonize. If you target the wrong person, someone who has more power, resources, or influence than you, your actions could backfire. Always know who you are dealing with and act accordingly. Do not commit to anyone. Avoid committing yourself to a single cause or person. By remaining independent, you keep your options open and retain your power to negotiate. Being tied to one side limits your ability to leverage situations to your advantage. Play a sucker to catch a sucker. Seem dumber than your mark. Appear less intelligent or capable than your opponent. People tend to underestimate those they perceive as weaker, allowing you to take advantage of their underestimation when the time is right. 22. Use the surrender tactic. Transform weakness into power. When you are in a losing position, sometimes the best tactic is to surrender temporarily. This throws your opponent off guard and gives you time to regroup and turn the situation around in your favor. 23. Concentrate your forces. Focus all your energy and resources on a single goal or battle. Dividing your attention weakens your power. Concentration allows you to achieve greater results by directing all your efforts toward a specific outcome. 24. Play the perfect courtier. Be skilled in the art of diplomacy and subtle manipulation. The perfect courtier is someone who knows how to win favor, influence others, and maintain a smooth social game, all while remaining in the shadows. 25. Recreate yourself. Don't be bound by the roles others assign you. Continuously reinvent yourself to keep others intrigued and make it difficult for people to understand your true motives. Your ability to adapt and evolve keeps you one step ahead. Keep your hands clean. Avoid getting directly involved in the dirty work. Have others do the unpleasant tasks for you so that you maintain a reputation of purity and strength without the moral stains that could damage your power. Play on people's need to believe to create a cult-like following. People have a strong desire to believe in something or someone. By tapping into this need and presenting yourself as a leader with a strong vision, you can build a loyal following that will elevate your influence. 28. Enter action with boldness. Take decisive and bold action. Hesitation and doubt are perceived as weakness. Boldness creates confidence, not only in others, but also in yourself, and ensures you stand out as a leader. 29. Plan all the way to the end. Always plan for every eventuality, and think about the end result from the beginning. If you only focus on the short term, you risk making mistakes that will have long-lasting consequences. 30. Make your accomplishments seem effortless. Hide the effort and work behind your success. When others perceive your achievements as effortless, they are more likely to respect your abilities and be attracted to your image of power and grace. Conclusion. The 48 laws of power provide a strategy for achieving success through manipulation, strategic thinking, and self-preservation. While it can be seen as controversial for advocating a Machiavellian professional settings.